NEET aspirants. In this frame, I am going to discuss about Class 11, Unit 1, Chapter 4, Animal Kingdom, Class Aves. These organisms are warm-blooded animals. They are also called as a homeothermics or endothermics. These organisms' body temperature maintain constant. Feathers are characteristic feature of aves, except flightless birds. Example: ostrich. So these organisms possess beak. Forelimbs are modified into wings. The hind limbs, generally the scales, are modified for the walking, swimming, clasping on the trees. Skin is dry without glands except oil secreting gland it present at base of the tail. Systems generally we discuss from digestive system to the reproductive system. Digestive system, digestive tract, additional chambers like craw and gizzards are present. Respiration, with the help of lungs, it's supported by air sacs connected to the lungs. The supplementary respiration it is conducted by these air sacs. Skeletal, endoskeleton is fully ossified. Long bones are hollow with air cavities, called as a pneumatic bones. Reproduction. Sexuality, sexes are separate, we call as a dioecious. Fertilization, internal fertilization. Development, direct development, no larval stage is present. These are oviparous, egg-laying animals like reptiles. Let us come for the examples. Here, chorus, crow, Columbia, pigeon, Psittacula, parrot, Strutio, ostrich, pavo, peacock, actinodites, penguin, neophron, vulture. In this way, the rest of the phyla also will discuss in the next sessions. Thanks for watching.